Hello friends, today I am going to solve again another exchanger problem. In this problem, if you will see what we have to do, we have given one method, right? Method name is that frequent character replace, and we have to implement this method in our program. So you can see that in this method we have two parameters, like one parameter is a string and another one is a character. We have to replace only that character which occurrence of that character is most. In this problem we have to replace, right, character of this string with this second parameter of ch, right, second parameter of that character. So if you will see, they have mentioned that we have to first what we have to do, we have to count frequency of each and every character from this string, right, given a string, and we have to replace only such character which frequency is higher, right. It means that we have to, you can see that in explanation, the most frequent character in this string, right, str, in this string you can see that is b, right. You can see that b is the most occurrence character in this string, so we have to replace this b with, right, given character, like given character is t, so we have to replace this b with t, right. So you can see that they have also mentioned that, right, character x lies between range a to z. It means that second parameter of this function x is character of from alphabet character a to z, right. And also mention that a string is, right, given a string is in lowercase, so we don't need to be worry about that, like it is a smaller character. So let's discuss about it. So you can see that suppose this is our given string, right, and our, like, suppose this is our character ch. So character, and suppose we have to replace replace a string of this character with, suppose we have to replace with a star, right. So first what we will do, we will find occurrence of each and every character from this string, and which character have higher occurrence, we have to replace that character with this ch, right. So these two are the parameter of that function. So we will count occurrence of each and every character from this string. So for counting occurrence of that character, we will use hash map, right. In Java there is one hash map, they apply concept of like dictionary. So we will take, like if we will use hash map for this string, so we will get a, right, value of b, and occurrence of b will be, right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right. Occurrence of b will be 7, and occurrence of a will be, right, 1 2 3, and occurrence of, right, you can see b, a b, right, they have only 2. So character b have higher occurrence, right. So we have to replace right, this b with a star. So our new string will be, like, suppose this is our old string, so, and after this one, right, our new string will be, like, suppose each and every character of this b will be changed from this string. So this will be like a star, sorry, a star, here this b will be changed. So a star, you can see that they have d, so occurrence of d is 1, right. So higher is b, we will only change b. So here we will find this is also b, so we will change this b with this star, and this 2 will be also changed. So our new string will be this, right. You can see that. So we have to convert this string into this string. So let's program for this. So first we will create one hash map, and we will get occurrence of each and every character of this string. So let's start. So you can see that in starting they are giving error because we have used, right, return as a string, and we are not going to return anything. So let's return anything in start so that it will not give error, right. Okay, and you can see that we have, right, two parameters as str and ch. This is our string, and this is character which are going to be replaced with another character of this string. So first to create hash map, so we will create map character and integer. This will be count of that character, right. Suppose mp is the name, is equal to new hash map, right, character integer. So we have created hash map. And we have to use a loop so that we will put each and every character of this string into hash map. So start one loop for int I is equals 0, I is less than str dot length, and I plus plus. right? So first we will check if right, that character of this string is available in that map or not. If this will be available, then we will increment the count of this count of right value. So first we will check if mp dot contain key, which one? So str dot caret I. If this contain this one, then what we have to do? We have to just use mp dot put right str dot caret I, and we will get value of this key mp dot get, and we will put str dot caret I, and we have to put more than increment the count, right? So we will use +1 here, right? And suppose this character is not available in that hash map already, right? Then what we will do? We will put right that character and initial value will be 1. So let's copy this one. In else case we are using only one line, so there is no need to right curly braces. So we will directly will put, and we will put str dot char, and we will here put 1 in initial, right? So here we will also remove this one so that it will be right easy to understand. So here in this right here we have right put each and every character from this string into hash map and occurrence of that character. After that you can see that right. So next what we have to do? We have to, you can see that next we have to find maximum occurrence from this right hash map, right? Maximum occurrence of hash map. So let's create one loop for that. So suppose here we will create one variable like max occur, and in starting it will be 0, right? And we will create one char, right, that character, so that we will replace ch, and in starting okay you can see we have okay see, so it will be right. We will put a space so that it will not generate any error. So we have to right traverse from hash map. So for traverse from hash map we will use entity set, right? Entity set. So let's start one for loop, and we will use map dot entry, right? And we have to use character because we know that our maps hash map type is character and integer. So we will use integer, and here we will create right mpi, and here we will use our hash map dot entry set. So mp dot entry set, right? Then inside it we will check if mpi dot get value, right? Get value is greater than this one, right? Max occur, then what we have to do? We have to change value of max occur to max occur will be right here mpi dot get key, right? And we have also to change characters. So right, sorry, first we have to change get key. It will not work, right? It will be value, get value, and now we have to change ch equal to mpi dot get key, right? Here we have changed, and here we have find highest occurrence of that ch character, right? So in this variable we have highest occurrence, and in ch we have value of that character which have highest occurrence, right? So after this one what we have to do? We have find this one. If you will see here we have find this b, right? And there is no need to worry about this 7. So we have find b. It means b is the character from this string which have highest occurrence. So now we have to replace this b with this b with right this star in this given string. So we have one replace method in this string. So we will use str. Our string is that you can see str. So we will use str dot replace, and we have to replace, right? They mention old character, so our old character in ch. So we will put ch, and a new character is that you can see our this one c. So we have to use c. So using this line, what they have done, they have replaced character of from this string, right? Now we have to return this string, so here we will cut and we will use return here, right? So what it will done, after getting that occurrence of highest character, right, that character which have highest occurrence, we are going to replace the string from this character and we are going to return this string. So let's run this program. You can see that after returning this new string, here we are going to take that string into new str variable, right, using this method, and here we have printed that one, right? So let's run this program. So after run, you can see that our output is showing this is our new string, right? Sorry, this is our old string which have that all value, and we have replaced that value of character of this string by a star which have highest occurrence, right? You can see that. Suppose if we will change the value of this one, this string, right, we will see a b c a b b b, right, a. So it means that in this case you can see a is the character which have highest occurrence, so it will replace every a with, right, this star. Suppose we will change this star to hash, so it will replace this string character with hash. Let's run this program. You can see that in first we have one a, right, so they have changed a with this hash, and again after we have 3a, so they have replaced 3 star hash. After this one we have all a, so they have replaced each and every a with that hash star. So this is program, right? Thank you so much for being here.